Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook roasted potatoes. Achieving perfectly crispy roasted potatoes starts with the right preparation. First, select starchy varieties such as russets or Yukon Golds, as they yield the best fluffy interior. Next, cut your potatoes into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures they all cook evenly. Finally, parboil them in generously salted water for about 8 to 10 minutes until slightly tender, but not fully cooked. After parboiling, drain your potatoes very well and give them a gentle shake in the colander to rough up the edges. This creates more surface area for crispiness. Now, transfer them to a large bowl and toss with about 3 tablespoons of good olive oil, along with salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Spread the seasoned potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they have plenty of space. Overcrowding will steam them instead of roasting. Now it's time for the magic to happen in the oven. Preheat your oven to a hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking sheet with the seasoned potatoes into the hot oven. For optimal crispiness and even browning, remember to flip the potatoes every 20 minutes. Continue roasting for a total of 40 to 60 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully tender on the inside. Once your potatoes are perfectly roasted, remove them from the oven. Let them rest on the baking sheet for just a few minutes. This allows the exterior to crisp up even further. For a fresh burst of flavor and color, sprinkle with some freshly chopped parsley or chives right before serving. These crispy, fluffy roasted potatoes are an excellent accompaniment to almost any meal, ready to be enjoyed by everyone at your table.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.